ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 52 Grouped Report Using a Wizard. This is the start of Section 7, Reports, and in this section we're going to create grouped reports and sub-reports, create calculated fields in reports, calculating percentages, inserting data fields in headers and footers of reports, and then printing reports. Okay, so let's get started on creating grouped reports. Information within a report can be grouped so that records which contain the same information in a particular field can appear grouped together on the report. Sorts can also be applied within the groups. Okay, so let's open the Premises database, display the Create tab, and then click on the Report Wizard button. Make sure Commercial Table is selected in the Tables/Queries dialog box, and select Location from the available fields and click the single arrow to move it into Selected Fields. Similarly, select Address, Type of Premises, and Price. Click Next. The report is to be grouped by location, so select the location field and then click on the single arrow to create the grouping. Click Next. We want to sort this report in ascending order of price. So, price, and we've got it set as ascending. Next, click on the Summary options to see a matrix of numeric fields and summary types. Select the option to calculate sum of price. Click OK, and then click Next. Choose Stepped Layout and an orientation of landscape, and then click Next. Name the report Grouped Location, and then click Finish to view the report. The properties are all grouped by location and appear in price order within that location. The sum of prices appears automatically in a special summary area for each location. The Report Wizard does not always make fields large enough to completely display the data. For example, look at the price. Close the print preview and display the report in Design View. Let's enlarge fields that need widening, making use of any unused space. So, as an example, price, we could do with more room for that. Price over here, we could do with more room for that. The sum for the location, and finally the sum for the grand total in the report footer. Switch to Report View to see the effect. To make the price sum field a running total rather than a separate total for each group, switch to Design View. Right-click the Equals Sum Price field in the Location footer and select Properties from the shortcut menu. Select the Data tab in the property sheet. Click the Running Sum property and click the drop-down arrow. Select the Overgroup option and then let's preview the report. The group totals are now cumulative over the whole report, but because there's only one level of grouping, The results are the same as before. Okay, let's close the report. Save any changes, and then close the database. Okay, so we've now looked at how to create a group report using a wizard, and in the next lesson we're going to look at creating a group to report using manual techniques. Okay, I hope this is making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.